Today let me show you how to convert a text file to audio file using macOS. I have put a text file in this folder. Here is the content of it. Open a terminal. We are going to use the say command. Say -f. File name. This is how it sounds.
Luke Skywalker, a Force-sensitive human male, was a legendary Jedi Master who fought in the Galactic Civil War during the reign of the Galactic Empire.
Now let's create an output audio file from it. Add the -o option to the command before. O means output. Enter the intended output file name. Default extension is .aiff.
Luke Skywalker, a Force-sensitive human male, was a legendary Jedi Master who fought in the Galactic.
You can also create the output file in the format of m4a, which is more compressed than AIFF. However, if you want an mp3 output, you have to convert it from AIFF or m4a. You are going to need a tool called ffmpeg. Install it now if you don't have it. Brew install ffmpeg. After the installation is complete, use ffmpeg output file name I input file name. Now you can see the newly created mp3 audio file.
Luke Skywalker, a Force-sensitive human male.
A quick recap. Use the say command to convert a text file to audio file in AIFF or m4a format. Use the ffmpeg command to convert the output audio to mp3 format. Please give your thumb up if this video is helpful. Thanks.